Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I just got a bunch of new goodies from a new makeup company called Uoma. So I cannot wait to try them. I got foundation, concealer, a new palette from them, lips. It's a brand new brand at Ulta. It was just released. And it's all about inclusivity, and so I'm super excited, guys, to see what you guys think about this new line. I did create this look today using the products, so just keep watching to see how I did this eyeshadow look, foundation, concealer, lips, the whole 9 yards, using this new brand Uoma or Uoma. Is it Uoma or Uoma? Just keep watching, guys, just to see my tutorial and review for this new makeup company. So I got a bunch of new goodies in the mail today from this new company called Uoma. I believe that's how you say it. Uoma or Uoma. So it is a new brand at Ulta, and I really didn't know anything about it, to be honest. I just saw it came up on my Ulta new makeup type of feed, and so I got really excited about it because the foundation says that it blurs. It has skincare loving ingredients, and it's all about inclusivity, and so I thought that was so amazing, and I definitely wanted to try it. It reminds me of kind of like a Fenty vibe, where they're trying to make sure that they have shades for everyone. It does come in 51 shades, and it is inspired by South Africa. But wow, I just opened it. This is my first time opening and looking at it, but I did notice that I look like from online the caps come in different colors. So I got the blue cap. I saw there was a hot pink cap, and it looks so gorgeous. So this is supposed to be weightless, soft matte, hydrating, like I said, skincare loving benefits. It does apparently help produce collagen, so wearing it over time is supposed to be really good for your skin. So I was super excited when I heard about all of that. It is vegan and cruelty free, so that's also amazing. I also got a palette here from them, so I'm so excited. And like I said, this is my first time opening it, so right through the bubble wrap I could see something very, ooh, oh my god, that is so beautiful. So Uoma does mean beautiful in Nigerian, so I thought that was really nice. Oh my god, look at how, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but these shimmers are so shimmery. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, it's like pressed pigment. So these are made in Italy, it just said on the back, so I'm really excited. I actually did use this already. This is their Boss Gloss. I did use this as soon as I opened the box. Oh my god. This is a lip gloss, but it's like a combination between a lip gloss and a lip oil. It feels so amazing, and it did not come off. It lasted, it was like a super long lasting lipstick. It's so unique, the formulation. I was so shocked. So hopefully I'll put that on again. I got the shade Passion. So, oh my god, I couldn't believe it. I love that so much. It's one of those things like a lip oil where it feels so good, but it's a lip gloss also. It gives you that lip gloss look, but like I said, it did not come off. I did get some more things. I got the Stay Woke concealer. I got shade 2 brightening concealer, and so I'm really excited to try this also. So here it is. I love the packaging, that blue, and I got this matte lipstick. So let me get right into it and go ahead and try out this foundation. I'm so excited, like I said. And I did prime my face already. I did put on some CC cream, so I think that's why when I wear that CC cream, it's like so full coverage. It looks like foundation, right? But it's technically not, right? So right away, it's like I can see the coverage, and I really love that. It definitely is full coverage. The color, the shade is beautiful. It has a hint of warmth to it, which I just always love warmth. But this one is not too much. It does feel weightless, and this definitely has a beautiful finish. That is so beautiful. So now I'm so excited. I'm going to try their Stay Woke. Oh my god, look at how big that doe foot applicator is. Wow. Oh my god, this feels amazing. This actually feels cool. Oh my god, it feels so gel-like. It feels so moisturizing. I love how big it is, so you can, you know, use it for, you know, getting that, you know, that highlighting effect. But, oh my god, it feels amazing. Oh my god, look at that coverage. I hardly had to do any blending, and it just melted right into my skin. I just had to do zero blending. I just basically just tap the edges and it's already blended. That's so crazy. So let me go ahead and quickly set this. Wow, that is so gorgeous. But let me get right into the eyeshadow. Isn't it so much fun? I don't know what I love better, eyeshadows or foundations or and concealer. I love it all, guys. But here it is. So let me go ahead and see. I was really wanting to do a green eyeshadow look, and that's why I did pick this eyeshadow palette and purchase it. So I'm just going to reach right into this color here, Lush. And it looks like a gorgeous emerald green. So I'm going to just pack that right on the outer portion of my eye. You know what, guys? I did this yesterday. It's just a different kind of look. I think I'll do it again today, actually. I feel like it looks like Brazilian makeup. I love looking at the Brazilian makeup artists on Instagram, and they always do this really certain kind of look. So I'm going to do that look again today, because it's just fun to change it up, right? But look at how this is so gorgeous, this eyeshadow. It's not patchy at all, and super pigmented. You know what, I was like wondering, is this a palette that I would wear a lot? Because I don't like to, I like to buy palettes that I'm definitely going to use again. And actually this color is so stunning that I'm going to get a good use out of. But actually this is so stunning. I literally cannot believe my eyes. That is so gorgeous, this green shade. Oh, and look, no fallout. I'm so happy. Like I was saying before, that Milani palette, the fallout from the purple shades was so bad, guys. I mean, it wasn't just a little bit. I mean, for some reason it was crazy. I'm just gonna try to blend out the edge with nothing on it, because I would love a light green, and there isn't like a light green in this palette. So I'm just taking now a brush with nothing on it to just blend the edge. And this way it's gonna come out looking like it's gonna give the effect like we have a light green eyeshadow now next to it, even though I don't have one. But if you just blend the edge with a clean brush, it diffuses it, and it's gonna make you look like you have, a lighter shadow there, a transition shadow. And you just want to gently blend just the edges to get that look. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I really can't believe it, guys. I'm not gonna lie, like a lot of times I don't love a lot of green eyeshadows, but this I actually love so much. And I just didn't do any work, guys. That was it. I know sometimes I cut out the parts when I'm blending. This is nothing. This is real timing, because I didn't have to blend or anything. I didn't have to do any packing. This is it. I don't even have to go back in and intensify that. It just came out like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and I really want to try out this shade Oh Sun. So I'm going to take this on a really small brush, and I'm just going to pack that right in the front part of my eye. This is also they're like very creamy and pigmented. Oh my god, this is like zero work to get it so intense. I'm just tapping it on and it's coming out super intense. Wow, I cannot believe it. I'm seriously so shook right now. And now I'm just going to go over that with the shimmer now. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down Enchantress and Mystical. Oh, I just want to go in with every single one of these colors. They're so gorgeous. So I'm just going to take some glitter glue. And then really quickly, I'm just going to go in with Enchantress. And now I'm just taking some Mystical and I'm just putting that like in the center. There's like no fallout from the glitter. They're staying perfectly in the pan. Wow, let me smudge some of this green Mystical. So I'm just going to smudge some liner. I'm going to put on my lashes, and then I'll check back in with you guys. So guys, I'm just waiting for my lashes to dry, and I'm just going to try a little bit of this White Lady of Gold. I'm going to pop some of that on my brow bone. Oh my god, this palette is phenomenal. It's so creamy. I can't believe these shimmers are so creamy. Oh my god, do you see that? This would be oh, I'm going to use this as a highlight. This would be a gorgeous highlight. It's so, I just can't get over how creamy these shadows are. But they're so pigmented. And I've never seen shimmer shadows be creamy and feel good. Usually they're chunky, you know, and they fall out, but this is amazing. Oh, I want to try this Lady of Gold as a highlighter. Because it's so beautiful. It's so unique. It's like white and gold. These are my lashes, dolls, that I've been talking about. I mean, you know, you'll probably hear me talking about them forever. But these have 25 wear. So I've been wearing these, like, this is like my 10th time. They stay perfect. So guys, I can't decide which lip to use. I really want to show you this lip gloss. This lip gloss is amazing, but I do want to try out the nude. I guess, you know what, I'll use the nude and then I'll put the lip gloss on top. But the lip gloss alone looks so gorgeous. You will not believe your eyes. Let me go ahead and get my liner. I'm going to use my MAC Whirl liner. Guys, look at this. I have like none left. Okay, so it's such a mess here. I hope I could find that lipstick. You know what? Sometimes too, when things are white. Oh, here it is. It's white and my table's white. So, oh, it looks so beautiful. I can't wait. Wow. Feels so, everything from this line feels amazing. This is Maya. It feels so creamy. It's matte but creamy. I'm just going to put the gloss on top. The gloss is just amazing. Oh my god, guys. The gloss is probably moisturizing too. Everything, all these products have skincare benefits. Let me just pop on, I just love my Jeffree Star setting powder. Well, I use it like a finishing powder just to brighten. So I'm just going to pop on some of this lip gloss now. So dolls, this is the finished look. I truly could not love these products more. I'm so glad that I purchased them. I 100% love this eyeshadow palette, that concealer, and the gloss. I truly could not love this line more. Oh my god, I am so shook right now. That eyeshadow palette was insane. Like I said, I normally do a lot of blending, a lot of packing, and I cut it out because it's repetitive. And sometimes it could take me an hour of blending and packing, you know what I mean? Honest to God, that I just put this on and it was blended, it was packed, that intense, no laying down, you know, paint pots or this, that, and the other. I just had on my regular concealer like I always do, and it came out like that. So this, you know what, I should get another palette. When I can, I'm going to pick up another palette from them because they have a few different colors and I would love to try more colors from them and more palettes. That concealer was amazing and I am obsessed with the lip gloss. I truly love that lip gloss so much. So I definitely will want to purchase that concealer again. I definitely would love to get another palette. That lip gloss, oh my god. This foundation is super full coverage. If you love full coverage, you will probably love this foundation. And guys, these are my Forever Magic brows that I tried out the other day. I love them so much, and they do have, I was reading how they have castor oil in them, and the castor oil actually helps promote brow growth. So I could not be happier with these brows. I will link everything below though, guys, but these brows are amazing. They truly are. There's 51 shades in that foundation, so everybody's going to get a great, you know, match, and I think this is an amazing match for my complexion too. It really matched perfectly, so that's really, really nice. So thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me. Please subscribe, it helps me out so much. Please give me a thumbs up, that is such a huge help as well. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye, love you.